Hello everyone, my name is Jim Young, CEO of Realcomm and producer of CoreTech, the world's #1 event dealing with technology, automation, and innovation for the corporate and institutional real estate market. While many in the industry do not yet fully understand how the strategic utilization of technology can significantly impact corporate real estate, early adopters have seen great success, and it is important that these case studies be shared. As we evolve to a more automated world, every aspect of how we manage and use corporate real estate is going to be impacted. In the future, as companies strive to reduce reliance on natural resources, increase productivity, and increase overall profitability and competitiveness, doing more with less will no doubt continue to be a significant part of the corporate strategy. In addition to the technology and business process issues, we will also see a rise in the realignment of corporate functions involving real estate, facilities, IT, energy sustainability, as well as human resources. Technology is flattening the organizational infrastructure, and that will require interdepartmental collaboration never before seen. The big impacts that technology will have on a corporate or institutional real estate portfolio will be equipping a mobile, flexible, hyper-effective workforce, automating the organization of all real estate assets, and finally, connecting facilities to the network and running them with unparalleled precision. While many of these technologies have been around for a while, they are fairly new to the corporate real estate professional who is not focused on technology throughout their career. Combine this with the organizational realignment required, and it's easy to understand why adoption has not proceeded at the expected pace. CoreTech is the place for professionals from real estate, facilities, IT, energy sustainability, and HR to understand what this new digital corporation looks like and what impact it will have to facilities required in the future. There is no doubt that things like visualization-based real estate information systems, a Facebook workforce with new workplace requirements, and connected facilities will change the corporate real estate landscape forever. It is for these reasons we are inviting all forward-thinking corporate executives involved in real estate operations to join other executives from organizations such as CoreNet Global, GSA PBS, Microsoft, Bank of America, Procter & Gamble, CB Richard Ellis, Coca-Cola Refreshments, and other top industry leaders to join in the discussion and debate. Thank you for your time and interest in CoreTech 2011, and we look forward to seeing you in Washington, D.C., October 11 through 12.